Hi my people, today we're going to be learning how to DIY these kinky ponytail extensions that are all the rave right now. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, please keep watching. You're going to need the following: a mannequin head or the head of anybody willing to let you use their head for practice, a ponytail cap, wig combs, needle and thread, thumbtacks to hold the net in place or any kind of pin, crochet needle, and your hair of choice. I'm using the Darling Kinky hair in natural twist. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my ponytail cap and the wig combs, and I'm going to just sew the wig combs, I'm using 2, onto each side of the ponytail cap. So there's going to be 1 on each side. I actually got this wig cap and the combs from AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description box, but I know for a fact that you can get them from any local market around you. I've gotten it from Yaba Market before. The next step is to secure the ponytail cap onto the back of the mannequin head using the thumbtacks. Now I'm going to take my crochet needle and stick it into about 3 or 4 holes, and then I'm going to take a section of the kinky hair. Now this Darling Kinky hair comes in like different sections, so you can just pick one section and work with that. So I'm taking one section and I'm going to fit that through those holes that I've stuck the crochet needle into. Now I'm going to take the ends of the hair and fit it through the loop that has formed at the top of the hair, if that makes sense. It probably doesn't, but you see it. Next, you're just going to repeat the process all over the wig cap. Now because this hair is very full, you need to be very careful with your spacing. Make sure that you're spacing it out evenly and not packing it densely together. Yeah, so I actually used black and this brownish color. I want to say I'm swaggy and I just wanted to mix colors, but no, I ran out of black, so I had to improvise and supplement it with the brown, but it still looks good. Now we are all done and it's time to wear our hair. So I have put my hair in a low bun with 2 cornrows in the front. To wear the ponytail, I'm just putting the net over my little bun and then pushing the combs into my hair and pulling on the drawstring to secure it in place. I'm going to wrap the drawstring around the base of the hair, and then I'm going to take out a section of hair and use it to hide all that is going on around the back of my hair, just to give it a clean finish. Are we done now? Yes, we are. So you can go ahead to accessorize however you want, add some fancy clips to your hair, whatever you want. But that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hold on, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. Like this video and leave a comment. Bye.